can see, setting up, making a fake breakdown below this prior day low, taking some people from 20, setting up. I'm looking for the breakout 2160 on this name. Kind of pulled back yesterday, but that's kind of my idea. Elo, I looked at yesterday, just didn't like the gap down, but I think it still looks bearish. I am short bias on this name. It's not on SSSR. The float 67, by the way, floats on the prior names like 440 and 11 million shorts, and fold it's 253 with 29 million shorts. This one, I'm looking for the breakdown of this line, 2720 target. I don't see a clean minor pivot point right here. I would say maybe we're gonna go towards 2169 and eventually test at the bottom right here. So I would say this is the area where the liquidity will be sitting potentially for the bounce. The weakness of this, with the market being weak, can be a good signal for us to be shorted. So check it out, this one. VIAC, 2 red days. But how we do this? So first of all, we have a strong push higher above the down. So the first red day, gap and go, selling. Then we're gapping up above that level. Some people under the prior day stops, shock value. But guess what? There's no squeeze coming in on this name. We have a lot of shorts on this, 100 million shorts. We got 540 million floats. So shorts pushing this down for a reason. So I think once we're gonna break this 2885-ish, I don't think so average is gonna stop, but we will enter this zone where we might find support around 27-ish. So I am short bias on this name, especially if the market start pushing lower. As you can see, rejected the stop, now coming to the down. So, but wait for the area to be broken. You see, you have 2 supports underneath. So 2780 break, 2880 below that number. I want to short. All right, NYT. I like this for short. Target 3650. Entry 3880 on a breakdown. It might be real quick. As you can see, it just dumped pretty quick in the past. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna wait it for this one. So let's see, 3 days ago, 1, 2, 3. So 3 days ago on this day, the price action pretty much opened, did a little bit, pushed to the up and then down pretty nice, pretty quick, and then bounced back. So it's kind of whippy. You got 22 million shorts on this name. I do like that we kind of in this channel consolidating and back to the low, very sharp. So I'm looking for the breakdown, guys, short on this name. All right, Uber, I'm looking short. We just entered the bottom of this prior low. I'm thinking with the market being weak, this could be a potential short back towards $35. Be aware of that. But also Uber, if the sellers wouldn't show up on this name, we might see potential bounce because it's been strong. I'm more of a short bias on this, seeing what happened yesterday with the market. I think uncertainty will hit today, and we're going to see a lot of short opportunities. Same with Twitter. We called it yesterday as a potential short. I didn't expect they're going to push that high, but guess what? It's even better. So reversal candle, the volume's bigger than the prior one. It rejected this level. So what I'm looking for, technically, I can start putting on a short position right now, but for the confirmation, I really want to see drop below this level, 42, I would say the prior day right here, 42.90, which is about 43, 42.90, 42.85, I would say, this pivot point. The pre-market, as you can see, low as well. Below this level, I think this is going to be a short where back towards, I would say, towards this area, 41 to 40. All right, pins also looking to me as a short, but keep in mind we came back to this prior pivot point right there, and this wasn't a long swing this day, and came back to the target. Unfortunately, it's not following through, pulling back to this pivot point. Question: if they're gonna hold it, it will create potential bounce. If not, it will fill the window back to 53.40. I'm more of a bearish on this, knowing the market this rejection, at least for now. The bounce could be from 53.50. If the bounce will be rejected at this level, most likely we will go back to $50 and 48. All right, Baba, look at this, gapping down. So I was expecting more of a consolidation here and push higher. If this rejects, we have also setup, applies to all setups, false setup, breakout, right? The false setup. So when setup doesn't work, you gotta play the opposite as a potential setup. So what do I mean by this? So this was for reversal long. Unfortunately, it's pushing back to the low right now. Those people who bought it here, they under the water right now. I don't know if it's a catalyst on this, but playing on the technical aspect, we entering this the window. So I think it could be a sell-off today unless they start buying it again on a low. As you can see from these pivot points. But again, I'm more of a bearish on this name in the market. JKS, keep on watching. I'm just gonna watch this today. We started putting sideways action pre-market yesterday. Just want to be aware of this name, JKS. It's a sneaky one. As you can see, play the levels. We had level of consolidation, made a push from there, pull back, came back to this level, consolidated, went under, consolidated under, came back, rejected, one more rejection, pop, came back to the same level. So it's not exact number, but 63, this $63-ish, 62 actually, plus minus could be a bounce opportunity. Or if we're gonna lose this level, most likely $56 towards 56 is going to be short, where they're going to provide support at the prior levels right here, like that. So, and this is going to be a sneaky one. You know, it doesn't have a volume right now, but can be a very, very sneaky and pull it something. If it's going to be a bullish to the upside, it does look to me that they're doing some bounce here, bounce short, which is the prior day they did it. Now we might start squeezing and pretty much just go for the shorts, whoever shorted the prior days. This is on the lower float side, 44 million with 9 million shorted. So the squeeze could be pretty quick, maybe towards 67, 68. If we're going to clear 70, most likely it will be a pretty strong push higher. Look at the prior history. It did this many times. It's overcome the prior days easily. As you can see, here didn't do it, but just be aware of that. All right, so that's a list, but I'm not done yet. I'm gonna open Finviz, because all of those names not from Finviz, guys. All of those names coming from some other stuff. So 3 pages today. 3 pages on the scanner. Let's go by a high or low. BYND in play. Yesterday was crazy price action. CUK oil, I'm gonna drop it off. AAL continues to lay down. Like I said yesterday, it was garbage news. Shouldn't freaking go yesterday. AAL was really beautiful short for the 5-minute opening range breakdown yesterday, and I flipped my position. I closed my position from long to short and didn't flip it. I know Rapid Fields took it for short, and I should be actually keep my focus on that. So AAL continuation, but really the setup started yesterday. PFE, garbage, Delta, all these airlines potential sell-off today, guys. Lilly, LLY, looking interesting. BA safe. RCL, KHC, UAL. All right, I do like BYND. We had earnings yesterday, and the price action on BYD, it's a pure manipulation. What is happening on this name? Nuts. I don't know if you guys traded yesterday. This was crazy. They hold it, then it popped back. What kind of price actions? What is going on? And then earnings, they dump it. Market makers just screwing people right and left here. So, but name is in play. Earnings gapping down below this technical level, as you can see. Those people who are really buying here for this, they probably took it off something, but some of them must be still probably sitting on this play. I'm bearish on the name. Let me see earnings. What does it say? You got short float 14. So it's a low float stock, 54 million, shorts 14%. So they have third quarter loss. Yeah. Well, they partners with Pizza Hut and stuff like that, but the price action dictates a lot to us. We're down 21%. Be aware, it's a lot. And shorts on a play. If you would be shorting right there, would you be exiting some position? So it could be weepy, it could be dangerous to play because the move for shorts already done. For those who shorted on a high right there, on a bounce short right there, risking that pivot point, I would be taking off some of the table because we're coming back into the prior level of support. You see, just be aware of that. Let me see some other names for the second day. AAL coming back to this average right now. Looking interesting for a loss of prior day levels. AAL guys. I don't know if the average is going to play any role here, but if it starts losing, which is already happening right now, most likely it's going to flash all back to the prior day levels. It does look nice actually for a short play today. AAL to CL. You know, you have this minor intraday levels from the prior day. I honestly think this needs to go all the way back to where it came from, because there's no reason for this stock to be at 20 bucks. They're having really, really big problems. RCO, it's the same. Most of this company is actually going to go bankrupt. So it's a fact, you know. Somebody going to buy them. Maybe RCO going to buy everyone, and that's it. So let me look at Delta. It's doing candle over candle on daily. So gapping down already. Delta looking nice for potential gap down below this levels. 36.25 intraday levels. Yeah, Delta looking nice. We're gonna look at one more name. Right. Most names are the same from the prior day. Plug, guys, Plug still running. mRNA poking to the high right now. Okay. In a watch list section, you can post your watch list and tell us what stocks you like, and I'll look at them. Maybe I can find something. So some names from yesterday. QCOM also looking interesting for continuation of sell-off. Why? Because it's just gapping down to this window, guys. Keep calm. There's no support whatsoever on QCOM. I just don't like the way it trades. That's the only reason I don't like trading this. As you can see, 15 and 30, they all look too weepy, lots of weeks. Think other names a little better. But the idea is here for sell off back, filling this window with the market selling off and stuff like that. Also, NEO. So NEO is a sneaky one. Again, what do we see right now? Let me remove all of this. Slight consolidation sideways. Right? Momentum kind of like it's not going bananas anymore, no gaps up. I think NEO are going to pull a sneaky one today. It has more juice to run. The volume faded. I tried to do this overextended short. It freaking doesn't work, guys. There's too much buying coming in. I think NEO is also going to be on watch today for another leg up. Do not fight what you see. Adopt. I think 44 bucks and higher. It's long above 44. The prior day, the close breakout. We have some liquidity, 44.75. I would say this area of liquidity towards 44.75. But I think above 44, we can start building position long. 44.75, also a good area of breakout. So I do like this for a continuational move. Where? 50 bucks. 50 bucks, guys. And some people, I saw people saying, whoever traded this for a long time, 100 bucks for this name. I don't know if we can put it 100 bucks just straight like this. It's too steep. I think it needs to pull back and settles down and maybe even do a bigger correction from 50 to like 30 bucks and, and go from there. NEO is also on my watch for continuational move higher, guys. Some other names. JMIA also, I think, reports today, right? Already reported. Snapchat, no. JMIA had a report, I think. Let's see. Let's see their earnings. Okay, JMIA, I think it's a Jumia. It's an African company. It's like Amazon, I think, in Africa, something like this. Gross profit increased 22%. Operating loss decreased by 49%. Total payment volume increased by 50% year over year. So far, it's pretty good. But I know they have a competition in Africa. I think they're from Nigeria, and Nigeria it's growing like crazy. One of the most growing country in the world in terms of like businesses and other areas. So, I mean, the numbers are not that crazy. Gross profit reached 23 million euro. I mean, it's compared to Amazon, it's nothing. But we're looking at the company, how it grows over year over, quarter from quarter, year to year. Seems pretty decent, but for some reason, price is gapping down. Maybe expectations were different. So we are making significant progress on our path to profitability with adjusted EBITDA loss in the third quarter of 2020 decreasing by 50% year over year. All right, that's a chief of the company. He got 16 million shorted on this name. I don't know why we're gapping down. Be aware of that. Might pop back to this pivot point. I'm gonna watch on a back burner. All right, so let's see what you guys watching. PFE. Yeah, GM Restretch, I agree. GMIA are looking good as earnings, but the reaction is weird. PFE, I mentioned on news yesterday on PFE, guys. It's so good, vaccination, great. It gotta be transport under minus 80 degrees Celsius, minus 80 degrees Celsius. So experts saying we don't have transportation like this in the world. We don't have storages like this in the world. So how are we planning to deliver this? It's not gonna happen. Plus, you gotta create like millions and millions of vaccinations. Russia has free vaccines already. They can't even provide it to all doctors and cops and army. You gotta produce a lot. Plus, you gotta put them once a year. It's not like you put it once and you're done. No, it's gonna be the same thing like any other one. Put them once a year. The production have to continuously go on, and we don't have all of this. Logistics, it's not there. So, guess what? All this pop yesterday is complete garbage, bullshit. I don't think so. We're ready for another leg down, at least for right now. Maybe settle down. But I'm not predicting. Trade what you see, guys. Trade what you see. So I'm gonna get in my list and see what I like. I like Oki. I like Oki for long 3180. It's already above this price. No, what did I say? It's not 3180. It's 3150. It's already above. I do like this breakout. I'll be watching this name. I do like Fold. The reason I like these names, they don't have volume because they going against the market. And I've been trading the names that've been in play, and many of them doing stupid price action ever. Too much on the plate, too much uncertainty, too many. It's like a 50-50. Why don't we play something that has a probability of going up or breaking up technical levels? A, B, going against the market, playing its own game. I mean, makes sense to me. LO, I do like this for short below the lows 28, 20, what did I say? 27.50. So I do like that for short. BIAC, I do like that for short. NYT, this is also looking interesting to be shorted. Uber, short. I'm going to put it Uber on watch. And this one is already entering this liquidity. It's unfortunately it started doing this stupid price action already, selling off. I hate when they do this, there's not much volume and we're already moving down. So the idea is there, as you can see. Twitter, I do like this for sure, but slightly gotta wait for the breakdown of that level. Pinterest also a little tricky. Like I mentioned, it could be bounce. Probability game here. This one, sell off, I think more likely gonna happen on this name. Okay, JKS, sneaky one, goes on my list. JKS. BYND. AAL. Delta. GMIA. I don't know. Today is another day like this. I don't know much. I don't feel like today is the day even to trade. But guess what? Actually, I'm off today and tomorrow because it's a Veterans Day tomorrow. Army doesn't work. So I have 2 days off. So I have like a lot of time to trade today. So be smart. There's no need to chase in the morning and no need to hunt for a trade constantly. So I'm watching Oki, OKE, Fold, Uber. I'm watching NIO. I'm watching JKS, and I'm gonna pick two more names. Two more names, guys. Let me see Twitter one more time. I'm gonna put it Twitter on watch. Uber is already moving. Son of a! It's already from 70, 47.40. That's the entry, pretty much around 47.40. But we'll see if it starts bouncing. And I'm gonna put it Baba on watch as well. But since I have a lot of time to trade today, maybe until 9 a.m. It's 6:22 right now, so then I'll take a break. So we also can have a class today during the slow time, which you can do, guys. You can leave your trades, write a comment, and then maybe I can break them down for you, show you how I see them, what mistakes you've done. It's more of like mentoring session one-on-one. You can jump on the microphone, ask some questions. Right, win. Looking interesting actually for sell-off. So what does we call this? It's a gap down the prior day. And I think it's a shock value. It's going to be for some people who ever bought it on a high. It closed nicely, closed strong. But I think this one's going to lose it actually. 97, you got a lot of orders there, 97. Interesting, 97. It's way far down. At 75. I do like win. I'll put it on watch on a back burner, and I'll see if I'll switch my look from this one to this one. All right, Mary J. Totally forget about Mary J. CGC. Okay. I mean, I have nothing to say about this. Honestly, I like names when we have clean levels daily. Again, coming back to this name, okay. When we have something like this, it just makes sense. The logic behind this, it's the accumulation, which is breaking the levels, important technical levels and stuff like that. When we have name like CGC, I mean, it could be a potential intraday setup, but what I'm trying to do, line up this with swing setups, with how are the investors positioned and what is happening. I don't know. Maybe we're going to go retest this 25, 24 and reject and roll over from there. Could be. Maybe it's just going to roll over right away. Maybe it's going to consolidate, push higher, break for 24, 25, pull back to 24, 25, and go from there, higher levels to 27. Maybe. And it's tough because all these levels, they just prior high and lows, prior close and prior open. They're not that significant compared to daily levels. You can see the daily level. Look at this, how significant this one was played out, $22. And we kind of hold it plus minus 21.68. So, but be aware marijuana is in play. Okay. So if QCOM, I'll put it on a back burner just to see the idea playing out on this name. The sell-off here back to the downside. Many names probably going to do the same. The ones we just saw popping higher provide some sell-off to the downside. All right, so unfortunately, Baba is already dumping. Uber is also dumping. Twitter not selling off yet. So let's see what's going to happen. Watch JKS. Telling you, these guys are going to put it a sneaky one on JKS. Maybe bounce from 62, 63. We're above those levels at 64-ish right now. It's renewable energy company. I do like that we came back to this prior low. It doesn't have a clean level, plus minus, maybe I would say from $5 level. Yeah. All right, we have a few minutes till the open. So here's the trick. If you guys feel anxiety, feel uncertainty, feel emotions, the heartbeat increasing, close your eyes. It's a 1 minute exercise. Close your eyes, stand up or sit straight. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. So now focus on relaxing your brain. Relax your brain, relax your head, your arms, your body, your legs. Relax your body, relax your mind. Focus on inhaling, on the sensation when the air goes from your nose, sensation in your lungs. Exhale, focus on that sensation. And slowly open your eyes. So now you have focus. You build that energy around the focus. You've been focusing. So now bring that focus to trading. Your goal is trading is for trading. Focus on being professional, making right decisions, asking correct questions. That's all I'm asking. Just focus on being a professional trader. No emotions, just correct questions and hard work. All right, guys, we have a few minutes till the open. I'm going to go take a break real quick and I'll be back. All right, market is open. Not a lot of volume on many names. Uber has a decent volume. It reminds me yesterday's picture, not a lot of volume. And then suddenly they bring the volume. Look, it's JKS pulling down, JKS looking interesting. Whatever they're trying to play there. Uber pushing as of right now to the prior day levels. Sitting on my hands, waiting. QCOM looking interesting, guys, for a sell-off. Kind of putting rejection here. I want to see more volume, honestly, on this one. JKS doing the setup here. JKS. Watch out, JKS. Heck they doing there? Buster's putting JKS again for a run, guys. JKS. Spread is 34 cents. Don't like it, but setting up for breakout. All right, volume came in finally on Twitter. Price action is garbage on many stocks as of right now. Gotta be smart, guys. I'm taking short on VAC for the breakdown. They gotta pull it the trigger. I like the step down. It's more like hold. I want to see the breakdown. I like the price going below the prior day and market level, but we gotta lose some levels here. Just FYI, okay? It's a little early entry. Uber looking for the breakout. NIO is also interesting, guys. Baba losing level, looking nice. Yeah, JKS coming, guys. JKS, I think breakout. Watch out, JKS. JKS. See what it's gonna do. And NIO. So I missed the entry. Kind of was watching other bullshit. Guys, did you take NIO entry? Look at this. Exactly the plan we had it on NIO. It did exactly what we planned. Came back to 44. And long from 44. Let's see if they're gonna settle down slightly. 44. So 45. So we just cleared this area, 44.50. So let's see if there's gonna be a reject pullback. Maybe we can play NIO at some point. I do like this name. Uber is also clearing higher levels. Coming into the resistance. NIO is very, very bullish, guys. NIO is very bullish, so it's not non-stopping. I don't want to chase for the 5-minute ORB here. Pull back 44.70. Pre-market level would be nice. All right, NYT, I mentioned it's actually finally falling through. NYT falling through. I think the market being selling. We got 5-minute ORB here. The spread 10 cents. I wish you could enter earlier. NYT. Tough one. NAO on high alert. Let's see what it's gonna do, how it's gonna settle down. VIC kind of doesn't follow through. Part of the deal. See, they're gonna pull the trigger for reject. Market putting red to green move. So the short setups might start working nicely right now. NYT guys, look at this. Beautiful. I'll keep back to the prior day level. Not sure yet, but I do like this Neo. Whoa, selling off. Crazy. Neo is crazy. Jesus. All right, 44 maybe. They're gonna pull another bounce. 44 guys. Dead cat bounce type of a deal from this area back to, I don't know, 44.50. It's an opportunity to scalp here. 44 bucks and higher. I don't know. This price action is completely nuts. All right, QCOM looking nice. Reject, 5-minute reject, guys. QCOM looking nice. The volume is the only concern I have here for short. GMA looks like wants to lose levels. And Delta looking interesting for a sell-off. Let's see. AAL. Yep, looks like Delta and AAL setting up, guys, for shorts. I'll take short on Delta. 5-minute opening range breakdown. Let's see if the market gonna follow through, and we're gonna flash on this name. I like the volume here. Liquidity at 36. Gotta reject these levels. I'm talking about 36.20 and just have a follow through here. Neo, I really don't know what the heck Neo is doing this with price action. It was a nice move there. Okay, once Delta gonna lose this, guys, right now 36, this is gonna be a tank to the downside. 36. All right, we got a flash. We want to see a flash and similar action back to 35 bucks. So 36.10 to 35, that would be nice, unless those guys gonna pull something. Here's go. AAL already doing this. Here you go. Baba is about to lose level right now, guys. Baba. And market selling. So everything turned red on my screen right now, guys. Most stocks actually turn red. Okay, Twitter losing level. So Twitter is actually looking interesting. So Twitter back to this prior day levels we discussed. So we gotta lose 42.80 on Twitter. They're gonna drop 42.80. We can go to 41. 42.80 support. Boom. We're stepping down below 42.80 on Twitter. Just don't like this overextended run as of right now already. Volume came in. So maybe consolidation between 43 to 43.10 and short risking 43.40 or VWAP. Could be something there. Baba not selling off. I wouldn't be surprised if Baba gonna bounce, guys. We came to the average here. A little bit sideways action. All right, Twitter looking nice. Guys, Twitter looking nice for a sell-off. So let's wait. Let's wait, be patient. Let's see if market can sell hard, reject these levels right now. Now Twitter's sitting at those technical levels. It's important to be patient here. NIO is just a tanker selling off crazy. Well, I do like what's Twitter doing right now. It's consolidation on this level. Go, pop back. A lot of volume coming in. To 42.80 Twitter. Twitter guys on short. I'll take a short potential scalp here. They gotta lose this level right now. They gotta lose. If they're not gonna lose, they're gonna pop higher. That's where I don't like it. The volume didn't show up, honestly. I hate when they do this. So wait a second. 42.80. You guys gotta drop 42.80 after this bear flag, and then it can dump another 40-50 cents here. $42.77, stepping down back to 42.80, 42.76. I do like the stepper down, so I want to see offer going to 42.77. Now it's good, guys. Setting up for a dump. Twitter, I think setting up for a dump. Where is the volume? The volume is not there. Finally stepping lower. Here you go, Twitter. Lose it. Twitter setting up for a dump. The pre-market 42.70, 42.50. The pre-market level. It has a trouble here, 42.70 to 42.80. But if it's gonna lose it, I think this is gonna tank pretty nice on Twitter, guys. Don't like what it's doing, but I'll wait. I'll wait, and eventually I'm gonna mitigate my risks to a pivot point. Let me be patient here a little bit. Let me be patient with Twitter a little bit. Delta selling is not exactly how I want it. Twitter is the same, guys. The selling is garbage. Don't like the selling on these names. Think we can just squeeze from nowhere. Like Delta, you see the stupid squeeze from nowhere. Freaking hate this. I'm out on Twitter. I don't like what it's doing. It's not doing what I wanted. The price dipping down. It's not selling off. Still watching. Keep stalking the name. Might re-enter again once we reject these levels one more time. I like rejection now again on Twitter, closing below the 5, 42.70. All right, I'll take Twitter one more time. Why the stop this time? Delta is a piece of garbage. You see the bounce here. The selling, the reason why I said the selling, it's not steep enough. It's going kind of sideways. Don't like any of this selling today. I think that sensitivity is super high. People like, don't know what to do. What is this Delta doing? Oh my God. On a low volume, we're going up. Complete garbage. Complete garbage. Okay, Twitter at least looks better right now. Yeah, I'm not sure what's Delta doing. If you guys on Delta, is just what the heck is doing. The weird price action. This balance just doesn't make sense. Above VWAP as of right now. Let's see what it's gonna do. So Twitter at pre-market low. I want to see 42.50 loss, and we are dumping towards liquidity zone, kind of like 41.30. This could be a nice one. We're putting consolidation here. Interesting. Also not going anywhere, not going up, not going down, kind of like sideways right now. Oh, Delta, what are you doing? Delta completely breaking my pattern right now. Completely not doing what I want. But coming back to this technical level right now. Twitter also, like, it's not selling off. So market's putting lower weeks, guys. Lower weeks. Let's see what's gonna happen. Sometimes, I'm not trying to scalp. BYND is crazy. I'm not trying to scalp. Sometimes with this uncertainty, first 30 minutes, that's what it takes. You get a try, hit, doesn't work. You try again, you wait. The movement is not there yet. As of right now, what I'm looking at Delta, we inside the range. I'm looking at Twitter, it has a momentum downside. The idea is there, but there's no volume coming into with the momentum downside. Price action, it's not dictating exactly what I want to see. Delta, the push up, I don't like it. I think this can squeeze. What are we low? 36, 32. Price action complete. Shit. Market can bounce right now easily, guys. I don't fucking like anything today. 51.40. Lots of uncertainty with the market. Look at this. 31.45. You're gonna pull rejection, or you're gonna go through. Aki, guys, I do like Aki pulling back to the high. This one looking interesting. Finally, Aki making the mine. I think this is a nice long setup coming in. Oki E. Let me put it back. Okay. Looking interesting. Fold. Same setup we mentioned. Fold is actually unfolding nicely right now. Do you like fold? Continuation of move higher. I'm guys. I got stuffed out on Delta. Complete shit show. Not sure what is really doing it. Making a new low on the pivot point, and then now it's making a new high. What the heck are we doing there? So I'm still holding Twitter, mitigating my stop to 42.86. Let's see, the Twitter, at least it's kind of holding the low, but they need to pull the trigger with the volume. Are you fucking kidding me? This one really tagged me. Look at this. And now it's pulling down. I'm not surprised if it's going to sell off completely. All right, so look at this. Okay, touching the high right now and putting reject on the volume. Okay. I do like Oki, guys, for breakout. I do like Oki for breakout. Stop below, view up. 32. It's a nice tester on 32. I'm taking Oki on a breakout. Stop, view up. What's Twitter doing again? You see this Twitter? Twitter not doing anything, guys. Twitter not doing anything. They gotta pull the trigger here on Twitter. Fold 21. What was the price? 21.50. Yeah, 22 liquidity on fold. Let's see. All right, fold looking nice. Fold looking nice for breakout, guys. Spreadish 9 cent. Do like spread on fold 9 cent. Above 21.45. Looking for breakout fold. Delta seems like wants to pop higher, guys. Fold setting up, guys. Fold. Oh my god, Twitter, you piece of complete. Interesting play. Right. Fold coming back to this technical level 2160. I do like fold, guys, for breakout. See what's going to happen around 2170, 2160. There's not a lot of volume. It's the nature of this play. Back on that. And wait, T was a really nice one. Twitter's still doing this stupid price action. I honestly don't like it. Twitter can easily squeeze and do the other things what the other stocks do in the market. Honestly, don't like it. I'm out on Twitter. I don't like it. Don't fucking trade. This is not going anywhere. Unless it's not going anywhere right now. Pins made a move. Baba. Yes. Delta. QCOM also look at this price action. What are we doing here? Oh my god, this is just unbelievable. The market is inside the range. Expect that, guys. Market inside the range right now. So coming back to the prior highs. So have correct expectations. Oki holding the high. Think Oki is ready to break. Fold. I'm thinking about putting a position on fold. The risk here, I would love to put it at lower risk, and maybe the lower risk will be 2150 and aiming for 22 bucks. We are closing on a high here on fold. 2170 breakout. We're going for the breakout trade here, right? Spread is 6 cents as of right now. Slightly overextended for me. Oki looks really good, guys. Oki looks like it wants to break. Telling you, Oki looks like it wants to break. It's holding the high here for potential squeeze. Sending triangle builds. I might add for another leg. I mean, for the move upside. Let's see what it's going to do around 32. It's not ready yet. Pulling down. Fold is grinding. Take full position long right now, risk 2150. I do like liquidity on a high. I'm having an issue with finding the stop on this name on fold. The reason is just, putting below this, it could be an easy tag. I feel like putting Viv up, it's too much. I think fold 22 bucks is the next level, and then maybe 23. So looking towards 22, you got liquidity on fold 22, guys. We shorts getting squeezed, I feel like, on this name as of right now. And VIAC, the one I mentioned, watch out, VIAC, VIC. Told you, look at this VIC, ready to lose it, to squeeze to the downside. I'm still holding short. They gotta pull the trigger and stop doing this bounces. They wouldn't do it. They're going to squeeze it to the upside. But I want to lose it 2180 back towards 2750 and stuff like that. All right, fold looking interesting towards 22. But otherwise, I just don't like any other names, guys, honestly. Like, maybe scalping here and there, but if you don't trade today, don't trade it. There's not a lot of opportunities, really, unless you have a wider stops and kind of expecting. But I did have a wider stop on Delta, and the price action was just complete shit show. I don't know what to say. Twitter not going anywhere. Delta pushing a little bit high. All right, this VIC, VIC, it's not going anywhere as well. Let's see if they're going to consolidate under this level. Question, is it providing support here or setting out for the sell-off? Expecting sell-off coming in. And this one, 27.77. Got some liquidity there. Flag. The market pushing up. Look at this spike. Okay. Very interesting. Yeah. SPY, it's unbelievable. Look at this SPY push higher. Oh my God. Wow. Why are we going up? I just cleared some prior day level. And yeah, I'm not sure what is happening right now. This is a stupid price action. Too steep of a move right now to the upside. Do we have any news? Huh. Crazy. CBYND, what it is doing. Not a crazy price action. There's another day. Wait. Oh, sit on your hands. Not really good moves today. Not really good moves, guys. QCOM. All right, QCOM coming testing this level 142.25. Putting this minor level inside the day, 141.40. So consolidation on a high. QCOM could be a nice setup. Check it out. Slightly range build on 1 minute between 141.40 to 142.40. If we're gonna clear this range one way or another, it could be something. Twitter finally losing. Oh my God, it took a freaking a million years. Look at that Twitter finally. But where's the volume? 67K, it's not enough. We want to see more volume. But finally, if you guys been patient on this, here you go. Jesus. Price action. That's what I wanted, guys. You see, that's what I wanted on Twitter. Here is the Twitter. Somebody's still on. You guys seems like pretty sad right now. I would just in case trim some position. It's not selling off gradually, but and again comes to patience today. Like this name, if I would still hold this short, the first short, I would never get stepped out. The price action just didn't like it, but the different day today, different market, different price action. And for this name, today it's this type of price action. The idea is there for another continuational sell-off. Let's see what it's gonna do. All right, VIC, it breaking down my plan. VIC, don't like it what it's doing right now. I'll wait for a second. I'm mitigating my stop. My stop is 29.20 right now. Might get tagged right now, 21.19. I don't like it. Seems like they're not selling off 20. Yeah, I got out on VIC instead of waiting for the full hour loss. I took it half hour. So they're not selling off, ascending triangle, not pushing, providing support here. You want to see rollover, and I said could be potential squeeze here. No need to wait for getting out on your stop. It's in you. Liquidity 42.50. Arvo 282 on new. Volume fades. Bye, guys. Candle over candle. New high. Not sure what we're doing here with the market, but they're pushing higher. See Baba not going anywhere. Marijuana play. Not much. All right, Twitter, nice. Twitter finally did what it did. It's good. So, okay, guys, pushing back to 32 now looks even more bullish. The buying back, the bounce, the fake move to the downside. Once they're gonna clear 32.10, it's gonna be a pretty big one. This one is also after the pullback, pushing higher. 32, you got a liquidity here. $22 liquidity. Overall market looks like garbage. So 22 might have to exit at 22 here. Putting full ATR 22. 22. Yeah, we're gonna hit that level. Honestly, another garbage day for my setups. They don't follow through. See, so let's see the 22 touch. We're gonna fly through 22. This is gonna be interesting. The short's getting squeezed at 22. Ready at time. Yeah, I would recommend call it a day and stuff like that. Just not a day to trade, guys. Not a day. Look at the market, like just pulling back right now. Weird price action. I think it's just a bunch of uncertainty. You gotta wait for the market to settle down for a few days after yesterday's price action and stuff like that. I think that's the case. I'm having two positions open right now. Okay and fold. They both looking bullish. They both positions actually looking for the breakout. This one, okay. The ATR $1.70 on this one, 31 to 32. That's $1.70. Not necessary that's gonna run like that, but it does look bullish. Why? Because we're doing multi-day week breakout. I'll probably just gonna hold this end of the day. Okay, end of the day. The goal is 34 to 35. Speaking of this one, I want to see 22 touch. We'll see what we're going to do around 22. Honestly, I want to see breakout for 22. Squeeze shorts. You got shorts in this name. I'm not even on 1R. 22.96 so far looks a little heavy there. Right, NEO back, but the momentum slightly dying. See what's NEO gonna do. To the prior low, 41.50. And NEO might start providing some bounce here, guys. 41. So we're coming back to the support zone, 41.50 to 41.80. Let's see what they're gonna do. Back towards 41.50. 41.70, big orders stepping in. 41.75, 41.73. Where's the market? Oh man, look at this. Like now we're selling. Unbelievable market. Can make a decision which way we're gonna go. So volume increasing right here. Volume fades on a pullback. So I think we're setting up for another bounce here on NEO. I think NEO is setting up for a bounce. going slightly sideways. Going sideways. Not liking it so far, Neo. Let's see what it's gonna do here. And Neo may be setting up, guys, for a pop. That was pretty quick. Man, that was so quick I couldn't even enter. They slowing down the momentum on L2 around 41.80, 47. So it's a hold, providing the hold around 41.80, 41.70. Slowing down momentum here. It's a nice cow here. 41.87 towards 42.16 or whatever. Let's see another move. QCOM, I do like QCOM too, you know, for the range breakdown here. It actually did this test. Look at this. This is actually pretty nice. Came back and rejection. So you could take short right here. See this level? We put it intraday. And so QCOM on the VWAP right now. So it can actually dump right now. Could be something here. It's not my playbook, but could be a setup here. Neo losing. Ooh, on a big volume. 41.50 didn't hold it. All right. Vin, guys, WYAN looking nice for finally losing this level. For $98. Gotta be the range here. Problem with the wider stops, but the market gonna tank. This one looking nice towards 95. You got a 30-minute setup. You got a 30-minute setup coming in on this one. Also can mitigate a stop at 92. You see That's a quick. That's a quick dump. Not today. Today is complete shit show. Yesterday was better than today. Today is just, I don't know. It's just complete garbage price action. I don't know what to say. I got stopped out even on this name on fold. Today, guys, is a complete QCOM coming down. QCOM following through. Back to the low. Let's see if it's a bounce there. Oh, JKS. Forget about that one. I like JKS on consolidation, guys. JKS for another leg down. We have $57 to the downside. Does look nice. This bird flag building. I do like JKS for a sell-off. Let's see what's going to happen here. 61. Do like this JKS for a dump. Volume came in. Right, I'll take JKS for a short, potential quick dump. Not sure if it's going to happen. I do like that we're stepping below the technical level. Stop 62. The ATR on this is pretty nice. So if it's going to dump, we can see quick. So it's 866 ADR. Oh, pretty much $57. Towards 58. Oops. JKS setting up for a short, guys. I do like it. This is the only one, actually. I like it. Gonna lose this level right now, 60. Think it's gonna flash. 57 and get some liquidity there. 57. So it's a minor level right now. Right here. Friday. Gonna lose this one. Think we'll be entering the support zone towards 57. Yeah, if you don't feel it, like if you don't feel it for your setup, like Lakens GPA just said, if you don't feel it, get out. That's good. Nothing wrong with that. Don't feel it that it's gonna work out. Get out, let it go, let it be, whatever. You always can re-enter. Trust your intuition. It's very important. Like I'm thinking this one, okay, could be a nice one. You got multi-day breakout. I think I want to hold it like for the whole entire freaking day, all the way to 34, 35. Where's JKS? If JKS gonna set it up here and flash, I think this also can be. It's a nice setup. Third day, yeah, where it's a third day, but it could be a nice one towards 57.45. That's it. I'm not taking any more trades as of right now. QCOM, VWAP rejection was a nice short. 139 looks like it's gonna lose it right now. So today's a ranging day on SPY. Q's putting a low. Q's more like follow through type of a deal. I'll be back in a second. All right. So, yep, Zen chop day. Looks like OQ is working. Look at this momentum coming in when we want to see the volume is increasing. This one looks good. This one looks good. And JKS, I want to see it freaking do it. The momentum downside, losing this $60 on JKS. So my target is 58 to 57 on this one. Okay, doing stupid price action now. Selling off on top. See what's gonna do. Market doing. You can't find support at 139. Interesting. Uber, what a recovery actually. And Twitter, guys, I hope this is such a good trade on Twitter. Such a good trade entry. But then the price action got me, and then did I try another? Yeah, I tried another time. Even another time, I would never get stopped out. But then the price action got me. Didn't like this volume, no follow through, making a new low and not going anywhere. Before exiting my freaking, before hitting my stops, I got out. And this thing just had a beautiful follow through towards $42 where my target was, $42. Unbelievable. So we are the only enemies to ourselves. Look, pins actually lost it. Look at this potential bounce coming on pins 53. This pivot point 53.70 right now, 53.50. You see a little bit of volume coming in here. If they're gonna lose this level, maybe back to the bottom of the window. Baba didn't even hold anything here. Complete rejection. Right, JKS, do consolidation, sell. Oh, hey, yo. Stupid price action too, you know. Delta. GMIA. Clean one. QCOM. We have a lot of selling off. Snapchat losing that pivot point. CRVD. Yeah, it's good that I didn't hold any of that. Tesla back. Tesla might find bounce, guys. Tesla. But I don't know if this market is complete, like, weird setup on a market. What is going on with this market? I don't understand. Tesla's selling off second day. The volume is low as of right now. Back to 400 right now. Defending this big wedge. So what people do, I know for sure. I know what SMB Capital does with this play. They play in the range. You know, they buying low, selling the high, and that's it. They're just chopping the range here. Pins also losing testing this. Okay, BBBY, NVIDIA. Plug. You can lose it $40 here. 40. Maybe you want to see bounce a little bit first. Square. Trade from the gate. What a day. What a garbage price action, guys. All right, JKS. Let's see what we're going to do here. It's a little whippy. 59. The volume came in here. Market. Like selling off, continues to sell. Yeah, I knew kind of coming to support area, guys. This one could be played as a scalp. Coming back to support area here. I knew can be played as a scalp here from these levels. $40 to 40. Let's see. 40.50, you got big orders stepping in. And it's really hard even playing this one for a scalp. It's super quick. The 20-30 cents popping really quick. Let's see the tester here again. Stepping down lower, 40-50. Let's see, 40-40. Let's see the buyers. If the buyer's going to show themselves towards 40, losing this level, $40. I do like potential bounce, guys, here. Market is selling off, but let's see if this one going to fall. Potential bounce. The volume is increasing. 40-22. Stepping down 40-16. You got big orders at 40. Nice volume here on a low. Market just dropping like a rock. To 40-10. Got $40, huge orders. $40.08, $40.10, testing the low. I do like this for bounce, guys. NIO, NIO. And NIO potential bounce. Freaking already happening right now, but market tanking. Let's see a second what it's gonna do. Stop below 40. So far we're testing again 40.09, 40.08, 40.07, 40.05, stepping lower. Looks weak. Boom. You see, you gotta be patient. Don't just jump it. You gotta wait for this stuff to happen. Market selling. Let's see if they're gonna provide liquidity here, support. As of right now, it's nothing here. Just lost $40. Another 25 cents down. Expecting potential bounce coming in. Oh, this market is again, today is again day of like freaking scalps. It's unbelievable. We're catching a trend, we're catching a leg, and then it's reversing weird way. All right, I do like this for potential bounce continuation above the 40. Let's see what's gonna happen. The 40-16 tester. Back to 40. 40 provides support. Now stepping down below 40 again. Not ready yet. I'll take potential scalper here. Let's see if we can start pushing above 40, 50. I'm setting up, guys, for scalp. This is no for the bounce yet. Sorry, man. I'm out before the flash. 39.50 provides some liquidity, but this market just continues to leak down, so I don't see potential bounce on it coming right now. To watch because the momentum fades, the volume comes in here. 39.50, big orders popping in. Ready yet? Pretty nice red there, and I all right, 39 bucks, maybe potential bounce coming in at 39. The prior level where we bounced 39 bucks could be something there, guys. 39. 39. Let's see. Got orders at 39. Okay, 39 again. Tester 39. Big orders. It's gonna fly through 39. It's not holding 39. It's not exactly 39. It's more like 39.90. I think the bounce maybe gonna come soon on this one. So 39.90. We eating 39.90 pretty quick. Crazy, man. This one's beautiful. Naya is very beautiful. Shouldn't be trading anything. Naya is the only name today really look nice. Look at this. 44 bounce, long, and then reject. 5-minute ORB. Everything else really look like shit. This one's the only name providing nice price action. So the average come in here, but I don't know. Selling off crazy. 37, 38 now. Just lost a buck. Wait for a sharp bounce. It's coming, I think. So it could be around this area right now, sharp bounce. Hourly, it's right here. We have consolidation, close, 58 bucks. Chop 58. $8.40. Slowly setting up for a bounce here from 38. Right, I'll take long for the bounce here for the sharp one. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but I'll play the bounce here, guys. 38.60 towards 40 bucks. See if it's gonna happen or not. We got 30 liquidity coming in for the support bounce here. Reversal candles on 1 minute. It's on SSSR. See the 39 touch coming in. See the flying through 39. See the 39.50 on the way. 39 and some change. 912. $39.10. So we got $39.10. Then we have about $39.80 to 40 bucks. It's the next level. Pretty much to 40 bucks, it easily can retest those levels. Maybe we can do a sharper push towards this area, 41.50 towards 40.60 if we get lucky. One 59.20. So it's SSSR shorts will be covering whoever decided to pile on this short. 39.30. Looking okay. 39.40. 39.34. Take off some of the table. I want to see 39.50 fly towards 40, pretty quick one. But I like to see the momentum slightly accelerating. I want to see the volume is increasing. Yeah, let's see if he's going to pull the trigger here towards 40, 40, 50. Looking good so far. And then you have 39.45, you got orders. Shorts piling, 39.50. Short pile there. 49, 49.50. All right, 59.57. Got a short covering a little bit here. Into this level, 59.70. They're also putting nice bounce here. Double bottom, kind of wedging. 59.50, you got a little bit of struggle here. But I see big orders sitting on a high too. Think we can squeeze towards 40 bucks. See what's gonna happen, guys. See what's gonna happen. JKS coming back and testing this 61 right now. Tough name. All right, 70s, testing 70s, 80s. I do like this tester on a high again. Boom, testing, take off some of the table before the 40s. Looking good. Looking really good. All right, show me the money, 40 bucks. 40 could be a tough one, guys. 40 could be a tough one. Volume is increasing. 40 and 40 could be the tough ones. Let's see the 40 touch. Beautiful. A little heavy on the 40s. Gonna take off more. And the rest of it, let's see if it's gonna push it higher. V-shape reversal. It's not exactly catching the knife, falling knife, because we actually anticipated 38 bounce. Tried for the area, it didn't work. Let's see the 40 a little heavy. 40 a little heavy. You got people piling at 40, guys. I'm gonna get out at 40. I think it's a nice trade. Neo, it's like 400 bucks trade. Pretty good. Recover some losses here on Neo. Again, this was like literally the stock of the day. So clean. So the 40 seems like a little heavy right now with rejection. Oops. Yeah, guys, if you're sitting with your hands up, so any good. I would rather do the same than being down like right now, you know, for 400 bucks. I'm down. I just recovered 400 bucks from the freaking stuff I've done today. And it's better, like I said, sit on your hands. And I have the fever, overtrading. Yeah, I mean, it is. Oh, you see 40 confirmed for the squeeze here. Huh. Oh, reversal fever. I mean, just logically, we dumping. We got to find some reversal. 38, that was like an area right here, as you can see, the pre-market, and you know, I think this is a good reversal. The volume came in, VPA analysis, getting on a candle, on a reversal candle, and you know, pop in higher. I'm still holding JKS. This shit gotta do something. I mean, I didn't take anything. I wanted to go 58. 59 to 58, that's kind of area where I want to take off some. But now it's the break even, not going much. Let's see if they're gonna reject this area 60, 80. Otherwise, I gotta be exiting on this name. So market finally finds direction, right? It's all downside. We're sloping down. Took a time, like an hour and a half. Find this. Let's see some stocks. What are we setting up here? QCOM, it's a tough one. Win looks better. It's nice rejection here. See this break below the level, came back, testing this level, the pivot point, mirroring level, start curling, putting your short right here. Remember that this is actually a very good setup. This is like A+ setup because the levels played out nicely. Yeah, you don't know what's going on. Finally, kind of below VWAP consolidation channel, back to the low. I mean, you could put it your first lot here on a breakdown. And I was thinking about, but I didn't know where to put stop. If I put it right here, it's kind of too much for me. So guess what? You got to keep stalking this. And then you didn't take the entry, but then came back and testing this pivot point right here and doing a bear flag, right? And rejecting. So you entering short right now, right here. And now, where will I put my stop? Right here. Right here. Instead of me entering right here, I don't know where to put my stop. Even on 5 minutes, I don't know where to put it stop. Like the top, the only one, the pivot point makes sense. Now this is the pivot point, mirror level. Support here, resistance here. And look at this, 5R. That was a beautiful. Very similar JMIA, you know, consolidating on the low, came back, tested, and then flash the low. NEO still squeezing, looking okay. Delta, man, I really don't like when they do these stupid things. You got a pivot point. We went below the pivot point, and we came back. Kind of wanted to reject here of VWAP, but what it's doing here just doesn't have a clean level. Look at this on a 60-minute complete chop. I mean, look at the 30 minutes complete chop. What it's doing, who knows? Airlines, garbage. QCOM pushing through VWAP right now. Airlines, complete garbage. This NEO is very nice. Look at this. Still grinding to 41. AO, same garbage. This one also doesn't have anything clean here. I mean, it's breaking right now, but to me, it looks like garbage complete. You don't see the clean. You gotta look for the clean picture. So this one is a clean picture. Now I want to see what I want to see right now. This is the pivot point, and we kind of have area, not exactly clean, but the area right here. So now we're consolidating into this area. So came back to this VWAP. I don't want to get out prematurely. This is still looking weak stock on a bigger picture. And I like this to go down back towards 56.29. Keep in mind, right now what it's putting is a little bit of bullish reversal, high, low, high, low, high, low. The volume is not here. See? It's anomaly. If I get tagged, I get tagged. I'm sticking to my rule here. And the reason is because I'm playing a bigger picture. I'm sticking it. Overall picture still weak. Market's still weak on the bigger picture. But be aware it's on the lower float. And coming into this zone of, on a 5 minute, as you can see, potential reject here. We're coming into zone of supply. So let's see what's going to happen at 61.35, give up and stuff like that. Biba. Lots of consolidation sideways right now. You're at the bottom of the range, Baba. Can play bounces here and there, as you can see. Okay, back to the bottom, double bottom, playing the bounce reversal. This one was actually not bad. Look at this. Nice consolidation, loss of the level here. Now we're coming back. The price action on the market completely changed since yesterday. We're trading differently. You notice that, right? Shut down your platform if you feel the FOMO. You've been shorting JMIA? Twitter, man. Like, you see, I should have FOMO. Yeah, I don't have it. I mean, it was more my decision. Made a call, got out. Great idea. Everything was great. Below the technical, you see the important key here. Below the level, holding. Just a little bit of shitty price action. Could I re-enter? Yes. Did I? No. Why? Because I wasn't stalking this name. I got out and didn't watch this. But could be another re-entry right here. Back, stop right there. It would work. You looked at it long and sold it too early. Where's GMA? You wanted to play bounce here? The reversal? Took it long at 12. Nice. The 12. Well, you see, I put it to pivot point. Beautiful. 12 long, good. Give up target. And, you know, whatever you can produce here. I mean, learn it. Sold it at 12.20. It's okay, 12.20. It's a pivot point. We had something going on here, 12.30, right? We'll take off some next time. Like me, let's see this trade. Neo, right? I could leave some to play out. I decided not because we were kind of hesitating around $40. But I called it. I said, like, oh, most likely it's going to go to move up and, you know, test for 40. Yeah. Maybe I shouldn't even touch it, like the rest of it. Get out 50% here and the rest of it here. And boom, you got freaking a lot on the table. That's part of the game. It's going to happen like this. And learn to notice these moments and adjust them for the future. The key is what you're going to do different next time, tomorrow. How are you going to do this differently, right? You 39.90. Here you go, 39.99 before the 40, right? If you play this scalp. I mean, this is a good scalp. I mean, I made $400. I mean, can't complain, right? But yeah, maybe could put it another $400 here, or like $200 or something like that. The 40.72 right now, and now looking interesting for the breakout. the squeeze, maybe about 41. I don't know. Maybe it wants to pull back first. This one is also kind of like disappointment, guys. I did like this, but then this garbage. What are we doing now? I don't get it. Now we're consolidating under VWAP. I'm thinking about bailing from this name. It looks weak on multiple time frames. You see what I mean? Don't like it. But the market is also very choppy. It's unbelievably stupid market condition. Bye. Wow. We just put like a crazy squeeze. I like. Okay. We already said everything about this price action. Crazy. Fold still grinding. You see? See how they tag you? Those bastards. They tag you to the penny, and then they move the price up. Unbelievable, right? Look at this fold. It's gonna break today. Most likely, it's gonna close at 23. The idea is there. Stop below VWAP. Maybe I should put it lower stop based on this technical level. Um, Volume dead. Volume's gone. Doesn't look pleasant to trade today. But if you guys want to drop some recaps, trades you took today, another day, I can break them down for you. We can talk and discuss some issues and good things. See you, man. Just putting bounce here. Okay. New still holding the high. Here's the reversal came from that pivot point and the average. Oh, it's pretty nice. Kind of went lower. A lot of nice reversals today. Lots of nice reversals. All right, tech still holding this. Tech looking interesting for continuation. INTC. Twitter looks interesting for rollover right now. You got liquidity on underneath. Twitter guys looking nice for rollover. 42.13, 42.12. I'll take risking the top, but it's gonna be like a pretty quick one. It's gonna work. Works 42. Want to see the touch of 42 right here. All right, guys, thank you for watching. It's a tough day to trade. Trade smart next time. I mean, every day trade smart. But protect your profits and protect your money. Don't risk it too much. Today it's not a good day, honestly, to risk any money. But guess what? We make mistakes. We do what we do. Mitigate your risks, and tomorrow is another day. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Oh yeah, by the way, sign in for the free class. We're gonna give a class about reading SEC filings on Saturday. It's gonna be 6 p.m. Eastern time.